Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and here I am with a new video. Today I'm shooting this video around noon, so haven't learned a lot yet today. So I'll be sharing only few things which recently while studying a bio topic I learned few terms. So I thought they were worth sharing because I heard them for the first time. So I'll be sharing with those with you. And the reason for not shooting at the night because that I have to attend some function today, so it might get late tonight. So that's why I thought just to follow the discipline, and to follow the discipline I thought why not shoot it right now only. So it's going to be short, but yeah, and there is also a possibility that I might shoot another video in the evening around my morning routine today. But I as I went for a cycling, so it was a good experience. I went to a new adventure ride today. It was a short trail, but it was a good one, and I went there for the second time. So yes, I have not been there often. So it's a topic of another discussion, I think. It's a video for another. It's a topic for another video. Yes. So yes, in this video I'll be sharing some few key points or topics around biology. I'm sure that you are going to hear them in biology only because you generally don't get to hear them in the normal world, or maybe you can. So that those two terms are bioaccumulation and biomagnification. So exactly what bioaccumulation is, because biomagnification has been derived from comes from bioaccumulation only. So as we all know that we use all kinds of pesticides and chemicals. Uh, Mainly humans only use, animals don't use all those. We are also animals only, but we are modern animals. So we are using all sorts of chemicals which are harming the environment as well as us only also. But still we are using them diligently, unfortunately. So whether they are pesticides or chemicals used in the industries, and as you would have read or seen in the pictures, that ultimately all those chemicals are released in either into the soil or or on the river in the rivers. But I believe even the chemicals which are released in the soil ultimately uh, pours down into the groundwater, which not now, but later on in the future a, is going to meet the river only or another water source. So ultimately, we are polluting the rivers. So what happens when we pollute the river is that all the planktons or the coral reefs which are there in the water bodies or any kind of living organism which are fed by the fish. Okay, any organism which are dependent on any, like let's take that fish example only. Let's say fish are dependent on the coral or the planktons which are present in the water bodies. So what happens, that polluted water gets absorbed for the by the those planktons for their nutrients. But unfortunately, instead of getting the nutrition or their required necessary nutrients, all they get is the toxic chemicals. So as a result, when the fish feeds upon those planktons, they get all those chemicals into their body. So that is called bioaccumulation. Bioaccumulation is stepwise accumulation of toxics in an organism. So this is bioaccumulation. So now what happens? Let's say fish is being fed by was preyed by any other predator. We are not including humans in it now. Humans have done their part of polluting the environment. Now it is that now we are upon the animals or marine animals. So now any animal which feeds on fish will get those chemicals again. Another animal which is on the higher side of the food chain of that first predator is going to feed on that. Now he is going to accumulate the chemicals of both those organisms or both those animals, first the fish and the first predator. So now the second predator has accumulated the chemicals of both of those. So now biomagnification in simple terms states that as we move higher or we increase, go to the higher position in the food chain, the higher the organism, the higher it has, the higher content it has of chemicals. So that is what biomagnification is. So yes, simply bioaccumulation is accumulation of toxic chemicals in an organism, and biomagnification is accumulation of chemicals to a very large extent as we progress towards the increasing order in a food chain. So this is biomagnification. I hope you find you. Why I always get confused in this part. I hope you find this video. You will find. I hope you will find this video helpful. And thank you for watching. And yeah, enjoy your life, man.